Hello my friends, welcome back to Literacy. Today we're on lesson 12, part 3 and 4. Write that for whatever day you're having class today. And pause the video if you need more time, otherwise I am gonna move on. Okay? Okay. We will be working in our notes today because we always do a little review for part 3 and 4. Okay, so please make your paper look like mine. We have phonograms, we're going to do 25 of them, and 6 dictation phrases, okay? Pause the video if you need more time, but I am going to go ahead and get going, okay? So I'm going to say some phonograms. I'll stop after every 5 so you can check your work, okay? Okay. Number 1. Z. Z. Number 2. Ng. Number 3. Ah, 2-letter ah, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 4, E, A. A. Number 5, I, 3-letter I. And let's check. Z. Ng. Ah, 2-letter ah, that may not be used at the end of English words. E, A, and I, 3-letter I. Number 6, ah, af. Ah, af. Number 7, sh, used only at the beginning of a word or the end of a syllable. Sh. Number 8, 2-letter used at the beginning or the end of a base word. Number 9, Number 10, the of her. Let's check our work. We have ah, af, sh, 2-letter used at the beginning or end of a base word. And of her. Number 11, ch, 3-letter ch. Number 12, oi, that may be used at the end of English words. Oi. Number 13, 2-letter used only at the beginning of a base word. Number 14, ah, oh, oo, ow, off. Ah, oh, oo, ow, off. And number 15, oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. Oi, that may not be used. All right, to check, we have 3-letter ch, oi, that may be used. 2-letter used only at the beginning of a base word. Ah, oh, oo, ow, off. And oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. All right, number 16, ow, o, oo, that may not be used at the end of English words. Ow, o, oo, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 17, a, that may not be used at the end of English words. A, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 18, o, oo, that may be used at the end of English words. O, oo, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 19, hua, hua, or wa, two-letter wa. And number 20, ah, two-letter ah, that may be used at the end of English words. And to check, ow, o, oo, nope, sorry, ow, o, oo, yep. A, that may not be used at the end of English words. O, oo, hua, hua. And ah, two-letter ah, that may be used at the end of English words. All right, 21, ow, o, that may be used at the end of English words. Ow, o, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 22, or. 23, a, that may be used at the end of English words. 24, are. And 25, oo, o. Oo, o. And to check, we have ow, o, or a, that may be used at the end of English words. Are, and oo, o. Very good. All right, let's do our dictation phrases now. Number 1, the actress mutters a poem. The actress mutters a poem. The actress mutters a poem. Number 2, a hawk devours the rabbit. 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 Make sure you're checking your work. Number 3, the waiter spreads the butter. The waiter spreads the butter. The waiter spreads the butter. Oops, the waiter. Didn't mean to add an S there. Number 4, the kittens yawn. How cute. The kittens yawn. The kittens yawn. Don't forget these are sentences, so you should have a period at the end of each and a capital letter at the beginning. Number 5, the visitors devour the muffins. The visitors devour the muffins. The visitors devour the muffins. And number 6, the teacher scratches her throat. The teacher scratches her throat. The teacher scratches her throat. Awesome job, my friends. Make sure you've double checked all your work. Pause the video if you need to, but I am going to move on. We are actually just going to flip our page over or get a new page or whatever you're doing. And we're going to review spelling rule 8. Okay, so I have 18 spaces here. I want you to write a word that I'm going to say in each space, okay? And then I will spell it, and I want you to award yourself 2 points at the end for all the ones that you spelled correctly the first time, okay? The ones that you didn't have to check and change anything after you saw me correct it, okay? And I want to see who is going to get the most points. So you can message your LET afterwards and tell them how many points you got. Okay? Okay. But the catch is, if you misspell a word, you have to subtract one. Okay? So, for example, if I say the words cat and dog, and this is how you spell them, you would get +2 for cat, but you would get -1 for dog, because that's not how you spell dog, right? So you'll have to do a little bit of math, okay? Okay, I believe in you. You can do it. All right, number 1, coat. Coat. Don't forget your coat in the winter. Coat. Number 2, snow. Snow. I love to play in the snow. Number 3, sold. Sold. I sold my house. Number 4, sorry. Night. Night. I love going to bed at night. Number 5, kind. Kind. I hope you are kind today and every day. Number 6, goat. Goat. Sports fans call their favorite players the GOAT. Let's review those ones first. Okay. We have coat, snow, sold, night, kind, and goat. Okay, make sure you're not cheating. Give yourself 2 points for each word you spelled correctly and -1 for the ones that you got wrong. Okay, you can put a little tally right there underneath and then add them up at the end. All right, number 7, shadow. Shadow. My dog is scared of her own shadow. Shadow. Number 8, roll. I love to roll down a grassy hill. Roll. Number 9, right. I am right-handed. Right. Number 10, blind. Blind. Without my glasses, I am almost blind. Blind. Number 11, coach. Coach. I have the best PE coach in the world. Coach. And number 12, glow. Glow. I love playing with glow sticks. Glow. All right, let's check. We have shadow and roll and right, blind, coach, and glow. All right, again, 2 points for the correctly spelled words, -1 for the incorrect words. Write your score under there. And we'll add them all up at the end, and we'll see who gets the most. All right, number 13. Child. Child. Each child in my class is special. Number 14, sight. Sight. Do you have good eyesight or not? I do not. Sight. Number 15, both. Both. We are both very smart. Both. Number 16, follow. Do you like to play follow the leader? Follow. Number 17, soap. Soap. Make sure to wash behind your ears with soap. And number 18 is stroll. Let's take a stroll around the park. Stroll. And let's check our work. We have child, sight, both, follow, soap, and stroll. Again, 2 points for all the ones spelled correctly, -1 for the incorrect spells. And then add up your numbers and message your LET with what your score was. Okay? Okay. Let's review those spelling rules. We have spelling rule 4. A, E, O, U usually say their long sounds at the end of the syllable. Let's say that one together. A, E, O, U usually say their long sounds at the end of the syllable. Good job. And spelling rule 5. I and Y may say if or I at the end of a syllable. Let's say it together. I and Y may say if or I at the end of a syllable. Rule 10. When a word ends with the phonogram A, it says ah. A may also say ah after a W or before an L. Let's say that long one together. When a word ends with the phonogram A, it says ah. A may also say ah after a W or before an L. And spelling rule 8. I and O may say I and O when followed by 2 consonants. Let's say that one together. I and O may say I and O when followed by 2 consonants. Good job. For example, roll or glow. Good job. Or kind. Nicely done, friends. All right, you can put your notes away. And I want to play one last game with you all, if that's okay with you. Okay, so I'm going to have my hand here, and I'm going to write some phonograms, and I want you to guess which one I wrote. Okay, I'll go slow because I know it can get pretty blurry. Ah, okay, I'll go slow. Maybe I'll use my pen so you can see a little bit better. Okay? Okay. All right, first one. What did I write? Did you guess TH? That would be right. What are those sounds? Good job. What about what did I write that time? OE. Good. And what does OE, what sounds does it make? O, oo. Nicely done. What about I, E? Yeah, good. I wrote an I. Let's do one more together. What did I write? R. A-R. Good. This is a game you can play with someone at your house, okay? So you will write their phonograms on their hand, not, just with your finger, not for real, and they can guess what you wrote. They can close their eyes and just do it based on feel to make it even harder. Or you could have someone do it to you. So they can write M on your hand, and then you would have to close your eyes and guess M. Okay? Okay. You guys did a great job today. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your learning day. All right? I will see you next time. Bye-bye, friends.